Welcome to FH Group. Today we're walking you through the installation of our custom fit seat covers. This video was filmed on a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. Other trims or hybrid models may look a little different, but the installation steps are generally the same. Let's jump in. Begin by disconnecting the bottom seat flap from behind the front bucket seats. More on that later. Now you have two options for installing your backrest cover. If your vehicle has detachable front seat headrests, you may remove the headrests and stretch the backrest cover over each seat. If your vehicle has non-detachable headrests, you can simply slip the backrest cover over the headrest and down the length of the seat. Now push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom and tuck the fabric in. From the rear and under the seat, lift the bottom seat flap, pull the straps through the crevice, peel the fabric off the adhesive side, and fasten the straps to the backrest using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Next, slip the seat cover bottom over each seat. Place the front straps onto the floor, and then insert the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. Now use the inner elastic loop and slip it over the seatbelt buckles on both the driver and passenger sides. Next, use the two foam push bars and insert them in between the seat cushion and the molding of the seat. Then tuck the fabric in to secure. Now grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. From under the back of the seat, connect them together with the buckle clip. Adjust and pull the straps to tighten and secure. Now reconnect the original seat flap. Peel the fabric off the adhesive sides of the hook and loop strips. Using the hook and loop adhesive sides, fasten the backrest cover to the seat and press down firmly to secure. Reinsert the headrests and tuck the flaps under the headrest base. Use the hook and loop adhesive to fasten the flaps together under the headrests. Then slip on the headrest covers. Next, recline the middle row bench seats and remove the headrests. Then fold the seat back into an upright position and slip on the backrest covers. On the sides, you will notice a preset cutout. Wrap the fabric around the armrest and using the hook and loop adhesive strips, you will fasten and connect the flaps together around the armrest. Then push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. Recline the seat and tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Now release the base and tilt the seat forward. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out and using the hook and loop adhesive sides, secure the straps to the back side. Place the seat back into an upright position and then slip on the bottom seat covers. Now, you will insert the buckle straps into the seat crevice and tuck the fabric in. Next, use the two foam push bars and insert them in between the seat cushion and the molding of the seat. Do this on both the right and left sides and tuck the fabric in. Recline and lift the seats upward to reach the bottom side of the seat, or remove the seats from the track completely for better access. Pull the straps out from the crevice and then stretch them under the seat bottom to the front of the seat. From the front, reach under the seat and pull the straps out. Then connect the straps to the buckle clips. Adjust tighten, and secure under the seat. Recline the seat forward, reinsert the headrests, and slip on the headrest covers. Then slip all the armrest covers onto the armrests. Next, remove the third row middle headrest from the rear bench seat. Stretch the backrest covers over each section of the rear backrest. Insert the hook and loop straps from each section into the seat crevice and tuck the remaining fabric in. Make sure the backrest sections are folded down. Now pull the straps out from the crevice and fasten the hook and loop adhesive straps to the back side. Next, slip on the seat bottom covers on both the left and right sides, making sure to tuck the fabric in between the cushions and all the hook and loop straps into the crevice of the seats. Use the preset inner slip pocket provided to secure the seatbelt buckle in place. Tilt the bottom seats upward for access to the underside, and using the hook and loop adhesive, fasten the straps to the underside. From the backside, pull the hook and loop straps out from the crevice and fasten them to the backside of the seats to secure each section of the cover to the backside. Now, using the hook and loop adhesive strips, fasten the backrest cover to the seat and press down firmly to secure. Then zip up each section of the covers for a secure, snug fit. Place the sections back into an upright position. Connect the flaps under the headrests with the hook and loop closure. And that's it! You are ready to enjoy the full value of your Chrysler Pacifica 3-row SUV with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom fit seat covers. Available in both luxe faux leather and high quality Ultra-Flex Neoprene.